Traders, trade what you see, not what you want, right? So important this, guys. So lots of traders say to me, oh, Tom, I want a risk to reward of at least 1:3, or, Tom, I can see your trade is a risk to reward of 1:1. That's not enough for me. Well, it doesn't matter, guys. Trade what the chart is telling you, not what you want. And if you stay to the end of the vid, guys, we're going to look at some examples of this on Euro US dollar, and I'm going to give you all of my trade ideas that I'm looking at today as well, so stay tuned. So this is a really good example, right? So Euro US dollar, you can see I traded it on Thursday and I traded it on Friday. Okay, these are my entries: stop loss, take profits, entries, stop loss, take profit, right? So it's the same trade. I'm selling Euro US dollar, right? So let's remove this now. And let's just start with the day chart so we understand why I was selling it. Okay, so remember, guys, you know by now I use daily chart to give me my direction. Okay, and we was in a downtrend. Okay, we've broken this key level of support, and you can see it's now being used as resistance. All right, and we're also seeing these wick rejections. I still think this potentially has room to the downside. All right, but those are the reasons we're selling, guys. We're in a downtrend and the candlesticks are telling us to do so, and we have a bit more room to move into. Now, if we go down to the H4 now, I have entered this trade twice. Okay, so the first time, guys, was here. All right, so we're in a daily downtrend. Okay, we're now in a H4 downtrend. And then when price come back up to here, this was my first entry, right? In here. Put my stop above here. All right, and the idea was to take profit back down to these lows. Now, this only gave me a risk to reward of roughly 1:1, right? Risk 1, reward is 1. But, I want price to come down to this 108.17, right? That's what I want, but the market doesn't give a shit about what you want, all right? But what the market does tell you is it tells you where you can take profit, right? And you can clearly see, let's even put a gray zone in here, a support zone. Right, you can see the market has said, Tom, you can take profit here because this is support. All right, so at this level, I closed 80% of my trade, right? And I leave 20% to run. And I'm still in this trade for 20%. Okay, but if I hadn't taken profit here, I would be in drawdown, and when price gets back up to here, I'd be, you'd be thinking, oh, is the trade good, etc., right? So take profit where there is support, right? That makes complete sense, guys, right? So that was my first entry, right? Here, stop loss up here, took profit here, okay? And then the following day, Friday just gone, I placed another entry in here, right? Because it's still is part of my strategy, right? We're in a H4 downtrend, okay? Stroke range really at this point, okay? And we're ranging between here and here. So I entered here, stop up here, put my stop a little bit higher here, okay? And the idea is to take price back down to this level, right? Because the market tells me that this is support and it's proven to be once already. So trade what you see, not what you want. And also take profit, right? If the market is showing you support and I'm selling, take profit, right? Because what this allowed me to do, I've taken profit off this euro sell trade, Euro US dollar sell trade. So even if this trade went against me, I've already closed some profit, right? And again, what I'll be looking to do, guys, is, take some profit here. I will also close 80% of my second trade. And you can play around with this figure, guys. You could close 70%, 50%, it's up to you. But take some profit where the market tells you to do so. Don't trade what you want. So we'll see how this trade pans out. And another point here, guys, is, right, you put your stop loss where you think you are wrong. Okay, so above this H4 high, right, I'm wrong. Structure on the H4 is broken. Yeah, you hit your stop loss, hedge, whatever you use. So adopt the same logic with your target, right? So this area here is resistance, so I put my stop loss above it. This area here is support, so it becomes my target. Yeah, very logical price action stuff. I want price to come down here for another 12 years, but that's not what the market's telling me to do. All right, so yeah, euro US dollar, in and out of this trade, made some profit. We'll see how this pans out. Trade what you see, not what you want. Right, guys, now if you stay to the end of the vid, guys, I'm going to give you all of my trade ideas for today as well. So let's start with euro pound. Okay, so we're looking to buy this pair, guys, right? Before I show you all my trade ideas, if I could ask everyone to please subscribe to the channel, smash the notification button and smash the like button, guys, really helps support the vid. Also, guys, we have a trading community, so if you would like to speak to like-minded traders, have a chit chat, share ideas, then come join our free our free Discord channel, and if you would like more than that, and you would like my trade signals, you would like access to all of my tutorials and strategies, and you would like access to me, then please come join our VIP Discord channel as well. Also, guys, if you sign up with one of our preferred brokers, you can get access to all of these things at discounts. Right, first trade idea is euro pound, and we are looking to buy this pair. Why are we looking to buy it? Well, you know by now, guys, I'm going to use the day chart for my direction. All right, so we are clearly in an uptrend. Higher lows, higher highs. Uptrend. All right, we're just above the moving average 20 as well, which is what I like. Now, if we drop down to the H4, you can see the H4 has kind of made this new low for us, right? You can see we was in a downtrend and then bang, right? We're in an uptrend and price has created this last low at this important support and resistance level. Yeah, it was support and resistance historically. There's a good possibility it will be support and resistance in the future. So I just want to see price, come back down to these lows. I want to see the moving average 20 catch up, and this could be a really nice area for buys on euro pound. Okay, so there's the first trade idea. I also like pound Swiss franc. Please bear in mind, guys, euro pound and euro pound and pound Swiss franc are highly inversely correlated. Euro pound does this, pound Swiss franc does that. So it's pretty much the same trade, guys. So please bear that in mind. But if you look at the day chart, right, we're in this, crazy uptrend. And then, as you know, the flight to safety pairs like Swiss franc, yen have got lots of strength. And I think this one out of all of the Swiss franc pairs has a bit more room to come back down to these lows and this support level here. All right. So daily direction is to sell. If we look at the H4 chart, we've got this nice area through here, guys. Let me just zoom out. You can see it was once support, resistance, and now it could become good support again. Again, this becomes a really nice area if we have the moving average 20 and horizontal resistance. Yeah, these two combined, we can look to sell from this level. Okay. There's more trades ideas, guys, right? I also still like gold for sells, right? If we look at the day chart, we're in this downtrend. Okay, it was in this uptrend, right? And then up here, it hit weekly resistance and it's come just crashing back down ever since, right? Lower highs, lower highs, lower lows. Okay, we are in a downtrend. And it's retraced to a really nice level. Look, what was once resistance, support, now could become resistance again. Really nice level. I know this is quite a bullish candle, but look how bearish that candle is. This is actually an inside candle, so we can still trade this for sells. If we look at the H4, we are already at a very nice level. You know, if this level didn't happen on a Friday evening, I would have traded this, right? It's at such a nice level. You can see, you know, prices keeps hitting this support and resistance. Moving average 20 has come round. So this is a really nice level for selling. Okay, so yeah, we'll look to get in on this today. So that's gold, guys. And the last trade idea for today is silver. Before I give you my trade idea, please don't forget to join us for the live stream Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays, 8 a.m. London GMT. We look at the live charts, live trading, live news, live chit chat. Right, last trade idea is silver. If we look at the day chart, right, not much has changed from Friday. We was in this uptrend, price just stuttered here, and then it's just broke down ever since, right? We're clearly in a downtrend, and we've broke this real key level through here. That is a key level. There's more room to move into back down to this blue line, even this blue line. These blue lines are my targets. If we drop to the H4, yeah, so, you know, a couple of things, right? If price retraces all the way to this grey zone, then nice, right? We've got a really nice level through here. You can see prices reacted before, and we could start selling back down to here, right? However, you know, even if price retraces to the moving average 20 and we get a bit of a reaction, then again, we could also start selling silver from there. All right, guys. So yeah, hope you've enjoyed the vid and my trade ideas. If you have, please come join us, subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, and have a great trading day. See you later.